Hi guys, Steph here. What we got for you here? Some of you will look at it and some of you will recognise it straight away. And some of you will say, ah yes, I've seen that before, it's an Eversharp Skyline. Well no it's not, it's actually, well it is an Eversharp fountain pen and it is from the Skyline range of fountain pens. This model is what they termed as a Streamliner fountain pen. So it's an Eversharp Streamliner fountain pen. Now these pens came in, well, numerous different colours. I don't recall off the top of my head, but enough to say that this specific one is the colour they termed as dubonet. So it's like a sort of a dark burgundy, but again the terminology was, the colour was dubonet. The age of the pen, I'm dating it from the 1940s, and well, for you people that sort of know these pens, you'll see that it comes down and the barrel sort of tapers down to this particular, like a point. The size of the pen capped is around about 131 millimeters capped. Around the sort of widest area of the barrel here, it's approximately 11.5 millimeters in diameter. You'll notice there it's what we term as a lever fill fountain pen, so it's got this quite a sort of long lever there to the barrel, and as you can already sort of see, this version has no cap band to it, and you'll notice the clip there, it has the word Eversharp running down the length of the clip. There's a sideways view, and then you'll notice it's got this band here to the very top, and then to the very top on this particular model it's got this rounded sort of finial to the very top. Now the difference between this and the Skyline, quite simply, is the top here. The Skyline has this, they term it as a derby. It has this band going over the top of the finial. So the only difference is simply the clip here. You can see, it's, as I say, it's just a simple clip with the band going around the cap. But all in all, a lovely example, a lovely pen. Let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's give you some of the customary views at different angles there. One thing that I don't know if you actually notice, although the pen, the barrel etc. is dubonet, the finial to the top there is actually black. So is the section on this pen as well. Now again, for you people that don't know, you'll notice the barrel here, it sort of, as I said, it tapers down to a point, but to the top here it tapers slightly wide, and then it has this quite a smooth sort of step, if you like, going down towards the top of the barrel, towards the excuse me, towards the section, and that's just simply so that the cap sits nice and flush with the barrel. Again, the section there, okay, you can see just standard black section. It's got this ridge towards the nib, and then if we just keep it nice and still, show you the nib, we've got a Eversharp 14 karat, and then to the bottom it says made in USA. Okay, so a standard sort of 14 karat gold nib. There's a sideways view, and if we turn it round you can see the very recognisable feed, not only for this particular model but also, as we said earlier, for the Skyline version. So the feed on both models is pretty well the same on both. So all in all, a lovely pen that's been serviced and is ready to go. Very comfortable to hold and quite comfortable to write with. Well, yeah, okay, for you people, I know that you like to see the pens writing. So what we'll do, let's bring on some ink. Let's open the lever, dip the nib in the ink. Okay, we'll just do it nice and quickly. We're only looking for a little bit of ink in the barrel there so that we can do a writing sample. Let's bring on our pad and let's see how the pen writes. And as always, you're seeing what I'm seeing, so it'd be interesting to see how the pen actually writes. So what we have is the Eversharp, and as I said, this one, well, as I say, it's not the Skyliner, it's what they term as the spelling it wrong already, it's the Eversharp Streamliner, and again we're dating it around about 1940s. I would say the mid 1940s. Made in the United States, as we've just mentioned. And it's actually writing very nicely indeed. I don't expect it to have any flex, it's quite a hard nib. Writing, I would say, with, I don't know, a medium line. But there you have it, writing very nicely indeed. I would say, as we've just mentioned, a medium line, a lovely nice wet writer, very nice indeed. So let's pop that to one side. Let's get the cap and let's pop the cap back on. We'll flush the pen out after the video, and there we have it, an absolutely gorgeous dubonet, or a dark burgundy if you like, streamliner should I say, from Eversharp from the 1940s. A beautiful example, a lovely pen in full working order, and as we said, ready to go. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. Yes, leave a comment. Have you subscribed? If not, why not subscribe now, and you don't get to miss any of the videos. And also, one thing a lot of people forgetting, please give the video a thumbs up, and well, I believe that may help with regards to my videos. So yeah, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, wherever you are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.